can hear all the cool noises, but holy shit, you guys. We're gonna be in the feature lot. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. It is 6 a.m. on a Saturday, and we're gonna cold start the Camaro, getting ready for Cars and Coffee in Portland this morning. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the camera bag. I don't know if I'm gonna film very much, we'll see. But we're gonna be headed into town and we're gonna be meeting up with Brent and Kat, and they're gonna be driving their Sheepy Race twin turbo R8. Oh, lovely lighting in this car. That's the R8. Morning. Good morning, Salem. I mean, come on. All right, everybody, so we have the twin turbo R8 up in front of us, driven by Brent and Kat. Sierra and I are in the Camaro. She's driving, I know. Roast me. Come on, bring it on. We're trying to keep up. Sierra said it's like when she had her 300, it was trying to keep up with leader bikes, R1's motorcycle terms. But nonetheless, this has been a blast already. We're pops and bangs everywhere, everywhere. That's right, Camaro just passed the sorry. We're pulling in. It is nice and bright out, as you can see, which is nice for filming. I'm very excited to see what's here today. God, that R8 sounds incredible. Thing walks away from this, though. I think we need a twin turbo kit for the Camaro. What do you guys think? So we're gonna go ahead and get in line here with the, oh, that's a Viper we see? Oh yeah. Crackhead Camaro is gonna be in the lineup with Dodge Viper and R8. Let's do this. Because we got here early, the Crackhead Camaro is going to be in the feature lot next to, we got a blue Viper, an Audi R8. You can hear all the cool noises, but holy shit, you guys, we're going to be in the feature lot. Let's go. This is the first time standing next to a Mini. This thing is so short. It's like stomach. Also, look at this. So this Tundra's wrap is actually textured. It's very interesting. If you, it's got like a weird.
On your car.
Oh yeah, it's like fully textured. I don't know if you guys can see that. Crazy. I've never seen that before. All right, you guys, we're pulling out of the Portland Cars and Coffee. This car was so out of place. It was so funny. It was I mean, we were the only new body style Camaro here, so we pretty much dominated. Oh, there we go. Yes, rev it up. I love it. We're now leaving. We have decided, I think, we're gonna leave the outside super. I think we're just gonna make everything else nice. Like, we'll throw the spoiler, lowering kit, like all that stuff on there, but it kind of adds character to the car to just have it be the box Camaro. So we'll go on with that. So with that, guys, we're gonna end today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming along with us to Cars and Coffee. We will see you guys in the next video. See ya.